Welcome to Dharmic Window, a channel intended to explore the idea of Dharma. So, I have been practicing Shiva chanting for my subscribers in this channel for the past few days, and I had to take a break in between. I was intended to chant for 41 days for each of the subscribers, but it was broken in the middle and I plan to start it once again. So from today, I'll be chanting Om Namah Shivaya for each one of the subscribers. I'll start with 48. I have 47 subscribers as of now, and I thank you for subscribing and following my channel. So today I'll be chanting 48, and as the channel grows, my chanting grows. Let's begin. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Thank you for being part of the chanting. Subscribe and become part of the Shiva chanting family. You all have a very good day. Namaste.